What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So, on today's episode, I got these CJM fuel return line system for my twin turbo swap on this here car. The thing is, with the 370s, there's only a fuel inlet line, and that's it for these motors. There's no return lines at all. But good thing is this motor's not in a 370 anymore. It's in an S12, a little dusty, but so the benefit of this is I already have a return line right here. So I just need to take my feed line out of this pressure regulator, and I really only had this pressure regulator on there just so that way I could use the gauge on it to see what the 370s pump was doing to make sure it was running right after I swapped this. So it was basically just wound out wide open and whatever this free flowing through there, so it wasn't stopping it in any way. It was just reading the fuel pressure so that way I could check and make sure everything was up to par. So, but now this thing will actually be able to be used as a return instead of just, gauge sitting there. Alright, so it looks like the first thing I'm going to have to do is just take off these two screws and then install this one. They gave you some new super lube. Probably go around the O-rings on it and on this. And yeah, pretty easy. Probably the easiest job I'll ever do on this thing. So we'll get to that. Alright, so fuel sending is my black A1, and then the fuel return is the silver one, just that way I don't get them mixed up. And I rerouted them around on the pressure regulator as well, so this one's coming in from the rail, and then I'm going to adjust it from this thing that we run. And so we turn back down to the tank. Pretty simple. Pretty easy to install. It's definitely a must if you're going to be swapping these into another car, because most of them have return systems already, and you're going to end up putting some sort of one on to get it to go back into the tank. But next kit is going to be the CJM full fuel rail, twin fuel pump, fuel return line system for this car, because they don't even have a return line like I was saying before. So, alright, pretty simple, easy to do, and definitely worth it. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got definitely boxes and boxes of content to come.